Following public outcry over the deplorable state of roads across the state of Meghalaya, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong laid the foundation stone for the 6.4-kilometer intermediate lane from Lailad to Borsora on November 30th, 2023. The construction, funded through the Special Assistance of States for Capital Investment 2022-23 scheme, with a total budget of Rs 18 crore, aims to address the road infrastructure issues. During the event, Chief Guest Prestone Tynsong announced that additional road construction projects, particularly those linking Ranikor to areas like Mausanram, Maukarwat, Wakaji and others, are in the pipeline. The survey for these projects will commence soon. Tynsong urged upon the MLA from Ranikor, Piyus Marwen, to oversee the timely completion of the proposed construction within 24 months. Further, he called upon the officials of the Public Works Department, PWD, to exert significant effort to ensure the road's quality maintenance.
Play you know mau bangibu you know mau nongrim man sedang you know slok nang ni na Lailad hadu ke Borsora dengan play you know mau banga kerben scam bangila robat pendep ni kam buat kepor kepiang. Nu kejing dan kam gani ke slok ban connect hang ni Ranikor. Dengan pek bahang idon kam kerki ya kaniru, bat idon kam kerki ya kani kasurok kaban ya Ranikor hangte amau kurwat. Lading idep sakiniki arteli long likely bat kaplang diloin kaban mi hang ni Ranikor. Ngane tu epi Ranikor kalei kawei na kasentar ba. Kabama pi kilong kemi kilong pa kikun samla bat ki pateng ki banwan gimdon kam shu ban khuslai namad nangte na sor shilong borok ke mantu sakane ka jaka pitip de pintip kane ka de jaka kabangi ong kapliang ja jong ka jela mekana hi ki traisnong na thai phim da su thu kata Memangi ki banabar habangi pet kam tam ya ka revenue generation kabangi yo i kanika area ka jongpi ka Ranikor area parkway de ka badon kam hadu kata namar ba ka generate ya kata ka revenue jong ka jelame kala jongi tin nakata ka daw ma om yo pi om tang kaspa jong umar khendeu uba pidon nu bleu lakaku nrei pidon ru ya kaspa jong kajing itna kisau dong kisau kun kendiang yo ibha nangi ban pej sati sa Bangladesh kinong India khamtam nang tena North India kikwa dik ban wan ban jengokai ban pet ye kini jaka senda bat ka Bangladesh